a second, my nigga. Let's go. Fuller. Yeah. They wanna know Fuller, just let me be honest. Just let me be sharper. There's blood in the carpet. There's blood in my hand. This shit is supply and demand. This shit ain't gon' work. They don't know who I am. Step in my way, take a look at my lens. This shit is a win. Don't voluntarily offer your commentary. Though I do oblige, but I'm tired of working a 9 to 5 just to stay alive. Shit, my niggas ain't working because we felons and we can't get a job. That's why we drink to the sunset just to catch a vibe. Y'all in my stairway. This is an airplane. This shit don't come down, I'm up there like LJ. Shit, I Post Malone. I was adopted, I wasn't homeless. I became a rapper that wasn't focused. Shit, I disregarded my responsibilities, became that nigga that lived for the moment. I'm a dog, bitch, I'm a dog, bitch, I'm in space mode. They say I sound like T.I., Kendrick, and J. Cole, bitch, I'm running shit. Who am I? Can I do it or can't I? Bring the bands out. To the motherfucking labels, I ain't looking for no handouts. I ain't got no plans or plans out how I'ma stand up. Man, this shit is overdue. I'm an open book to the waiter. This shit is overcooked. How you gonna overlook James Brown, Marvin Gaye, or Sam Cooke? That's why I'm masked up in the backseat of a black truck, pulling egg up, finna egg up my nigga. Bitch, I'm joining with the hizzy. Nigga, I joined when you met me. Jumping like Jordan at the chimney. Nothing changed but the view. Got a few stains on my shoes. I'm about to redecorate. Thinking about painting a few rooms. Yeah. I wanna miss, so I guess I'm dream chasing. They watching my wrist, it cause an equation. My niggas ain't different, I think that's me changing. Now watch this case burn, same baby. I wanna miss, so I guess I'm dream chasing. They watching my wrist, it cause an equation. My niggas ain't different, I think that's me changing. Now watch this case burn, same baby. I'm talking this shit now, ain't I? Fuck these niggas, I'm a banger. I'm sliding through the bitch with the thing out. Thought I told you for a nigga not to hang out. When niggas shoot and I ain't shot. How top say I rap but I ain't signed. How nigga gon' talk like I ain't got. How motherfucker your bitch if she ain't mine. I need me some straight and put that on the bezel. I don't need a little money, I need a little extra. Don't act like a nigga ain't playing the pressure. Don't act like a nigga ain't pressing the pedal. I'ma sit there, yeah, till I call my. I'ma blow that gas till it's all gone. I'ma be courteous to these niggas till they talk wrong. For you shepherd that nigga, don't talk long, nigga. Nigga, I'm straight out my ozone. If you talking about yacht, you won't float long. If you talking about me, you won't go home. They talking about me, they talk about me. If you talk about me, you look suspect. This is CP for the upset. But this is that crack when it come back. Yeah. Yeah. I wanna miss, so I guess I'm dream chasing. They watching my wrist, it cause an equation. My niggas ain't different, I think that's me changing. Now watch this case burn, same baby. I wanna miss, so I guess I'm dream chasing. They watching my wrist, it cause an equation. My niggas ain't different, I think that's me changing. Now watch this case burn, same baby.